question number 10. Question 10 here says, microbes can be used to decrease the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Okay. Explain how this can be accomplished. Okay. So what here they are saying is microbes can be used to decrease the use of chemical fertilizers. Okay. And pesticides. Okay. Explain how can this be accomplished. So the answer to this is the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides can be reduced by the use of biofertilizers. Okay. So replace fertilizers and pesticides with what? Biofertilizers and biological pest control methods. Now, biofertilizers are organisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. Okay, now biofertilizer will do what? Exact work of fertilizer, but they are biologically available. So, the main source of biofertilizers are what? Bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. Many bacteria and cyanobacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into organic forms and thus enrich the nitrogen component of the soil. So students, remember that we need nitrogen fixation, and for nitrogen fixation we have got many bacteria and cyanobacteria which are relative, and thus we can replace fertilizers with biofertilizer. Just add the word bio. Bio means biologically available. Biologically available are what? Bacteria and cyanobacteria. That's it. In paddy fields, give one example. In paddy fields, cyanobacteria serve as an important biofertilizer. Okay. Similarly, some microbes, which are fungi, bacteria, what? Fungi, bacteria and viruses can be used to control number of crop pests. Okay, so to control crop pest, some fungi, bacteria and viruses are used. That's it. This is your answer number 10.